your hands in there. Start clapping, ready? Ready? Yeah, I knew you were an outcast.
Always under his eye, always under his glass, bringing up the past.
Don't you anything I think.
Keep the shotgun blast and kicking the ass of Karen Hood. Watch your back!
There you go. No, here we go.
Nothing to say is gone by over. Step down, still get much over. Quicksand's got no sense of humor. I'm still acting like hell. You think you're trying to be, so sorry that I'm
Ready? What?
take your message. I created the sound of madness. Wrote the book on pain. Somehow I'm still here to explain that the darkest hour never comes in the night.
You can sleep with the gun.
When you gonna wake up and find?
Alright, there we go. I'm so sick of this true song.
Mentality doesn't have to lie and set you free. I'm not gonna want to see your self-fulfilling prophecy. You think they were trying to be, I'm so sorry that I'm not
That's it. What you got?
take your medicine. I created the sound of madness. Wrote the book on pain. Somehow I'm still here to explain that the darkest hour never comes in the night. You can sleep with the gun when you're gonna wake up and
I'm doing my guitar solo with my mouth if you're asking. Zach Myers on the guitar solo. I created.
the sound of madness. Wrote the book on pain. Somehow I'm still here to explain that the darkest hour never comes in the night. You can sleep with the gun when you're gonna wake up and find. I created the sound of madness. Wrote the book on pain. Somehow I'm still here to explain that the darkest hour never comes in the night. You can sleep with a gun when you're gonna wake up and
Who said it all? Who said it all?
when you're gonna wake up and
Who said it all?
when you're gonna wake up and
Who said it all?